Hello designers, how are you all? It's me, AZ. Welcome to gzpixel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an attractive logo on Illustrator. If you follow my trick, you can create almost any kind of logo. So without any further ado, let's get started. But first, this is your designer family. If you want to join here, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button. I'm going to start the tutorial after a short intro. See you there. Take any size of square shape artboard. First, take a rectangular shape. Choose light green color. Press Alt plus mouse left button to duplicate the rectangular shape. Choose this gradient color. These two colors are the reference color of our today's logo. Now we are going to create our logo. That's why we need grid for being more accurate. Go to View and select New Grid. Select white color as its background color. Stroke color is black and its size should be 6 pixel, and later we'll change it. Press A to select the selective tool. Now select only the left corner. Make it round by dragging the dot. Similarly do this with the bottom right dot. Press right button of the mouse. Go to transform, then reflect. Choose 90 degree and vertical box should be checked. Press copy. Drag it to right. Select all and place them properly. Press Ctrl Y to see the actual line. It's good. Select stroke size to 1 pixel. Press Ctrl Y again to come back to the actual look. Draw a new rectangle shape again. Follow the same rules as we followed for the previous part. Again go to the transform and select reflect. 90 degree angle and tick the vertical box. Press copy. Drag it to the right. Do it very carefully. Perfect. We need another shape by following the same procedure. Watch this attentively again as a revision. Okay, it's awesome! Now we are going to set color of our logo. Remove the white background color. Select stroke color black to our reference gradient color and make its stroke size to 6 pixel for a beautiful look. Now we don't need the grid. Go to View and select the hide grid, or press Ctrl plus. Choose this text. Go to text setting on character. Adjust the number as I did. Choose our reference light green color for our text. Now the second text is our tagline. Select the Poppins font and its format as regular. Again adjust the text in the character section. For the third and last text, select this font and its format should be semi-bold combined. Place it properly. Duplicate the text and write 1999 or as your preference here. Select the both text and use this color. Now decorate the logo as your preference. It's looking so gorgeous, isn't it? So that's all for today designers. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. You can also follow me on other social medias, links are in the description. This is a special tutorial. I always upload this type of video on every Monday, Bangladesh time, 9 PM. And I also upload 3 to 4 shorts in a week. So if you don't want to miss any updates or notification of those videos, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button. So it's me AZ, I'm signing off. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, keep designing.